What's going on, guys? Late night in the garage tonight. I'm thinking about doing something with the interior of the car. Let me show you. So basically inside the car, I've been trying to round things out. Like I have the carbon trim there. I have the carbon around the shifter. And besides how dirty the seats are right now, I have, once these are like cleaned up, they look really good. The Alcantara looks nice. I thought about replacing this armrest with Alcantara, and I don't know, I've been thinking about doing more carbon, stuff like that, and I just thought of something to do, and it might look completely whack, but it's something that's reversible if I try it and I hate it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the A-pillars. I'm going to wrap the whole A-pillars in basically like a faux suede. So it's not a real suede. I couldn't find Alcantara. I just went to my local Joann fabric shop and got a linear yard of this fake suede. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these pillars out and I'm going to wrap them in this fake suede, and I think it's going to give it a nice look in the front. So over at Joann Fabrics, I got this. It's like basically a fake black suede, and it looks pretty damn close to the fabric on the seats. I already laid it up against the seats. It looks pretty close. And then got this from Walmart. This, believe it or not, was more expensive than this. This was 50% off, so I got a whole yard of this for $10. This here was $15, but I've used this before and this stuff is incredible. It dries really quick. It is super sticky, so I know it'll work. All I'm going to do now is I'm going to lay that fabric out. I'm going to basically take both of these, cut out just enough that I know will fit this, and basically just spray down some of this headliner glue, and we're going to just lay the fabric down on it. Actually, what we did here was just cut one piece to the perfect size to go over this thing. Nice light coat on the back. Decent little coat on the front. Now we're going to take this and we're just going to press it down. Trying our best to follow the edges of this panel. Sort of like vinyl wrap. You don't want to get any kind of bubbles in it. But it's super easy to work with stuff like this. So we're at the end there. Okay, get that cut. Get that wrapped around. Spray some more down here. Make sure this all sticks. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put the whole thing in just to see how it looked like. I mean, that's what we're left with. It looks so freaking cool. That looks so freaking cool, guys. I'm actually really happy with how this came out. Well guys, I got a confession. I went to bed last night as soon as I did this side. So now it's the next day. I'm gonna do the other side. Alright, here they are outside in the sun. Some people might think it's terrible, some people might like it. I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you again in the next one.